We extend the college's mission regionally, nationally, and internationally as stewards of our heritage with eyes and efforts set on the horizon as an exemplary 21st century Catholic liberal arts college in the Mercy tradition.
Every college can look over its years of existence and point to a small number of times when a momentous event literally changed its life forever, and after which nothing would ever be the same again. I'm happy to say that today is one of those special watershed moments for St. Joseph's. The Alfond Foundation identified one of the key parts of our strategic plan, the conversion of one of our cornerstone academic spaces, Mercy Hall, into a 21st century academic facility that would enhance our largest major, nursing, as having the powerful potential to strengthen the nursing workforce in Maine.
In the fall of 1997, Mr. Alfond and I visited St. Joseph's College. We walked the ground on which this building sits. We looked out over Sebago Lake and the autumn reds and yellows which framed its deep blue waters. We could see and feel the energy and promise of hardworking first-generation students, the dedication and devotion of the Sisters of Mercy, the school's leadership, faculty, and staff. The leadership of St. Joe's is outstanding, beginning with your high-quality board led by Matt Monahan and your president, Jim Dlugos, whose vision for the future of this college, both on campus and online, is as bold as it is promising. And as our trustees saw firsthand as we were escorted expertly and efficiently around this campus, your faculty and staff are equally outstanding. This, my friends, is a college in very good hands. Well, it gets much easier to give when you are giving to St. Joseph's College. And this morning, I'm here to speak about giving to nursing education. Nurses stand on the front lines of Maine's healthcare. They represent Maine's largest healthcare occupation, and as such, they are indispensable to keeping us all healthy. St. Joseph's is a leader in nursing education in Maine, producing some of the best nursing graduates in New England. This morning, on behalf of the Harold Alfond Foundation, I am pleased to announce a matching grant to support your new Center for Nursing Excellence in the amount of $1,500,000.
So thank you to the Alfond Foundation, not only on behalf of the board, but also on behalf of current and future nursing students. Those students likely will not only be supported by the generous donation and what it will allow us to do to expand our program, but they will in turn serve Maine, serve the residents of Maine. With the great education they'll receive here, they'll be providing fantastic healthcare services and, more importantly, fantastic leadership.
We are one of the largest nursing programs in the state, one which has a proud track record of producing nurses who are complimented by their employers for the quality of their clinical practice with patients. In addition, to draw more students into nursing, a $1 million scholarship endowment will be established for nursing students from Maine. To provide advanced training and increase the numbers of nursing faculty, we will develop new online programs such as Nursing Practice Doctorate and the Acute Care Nurse Practitioner Program.
St. Joe's, you have your priorities straight. Mr. Powell, you've made a great investment in this school because they know what is first, is becoming great students, and in this case, great nurses. You nurses are in the catbird seat. You have increasing demand for your services, but a small supply. $60,000 is the average starting salary for a nurse. Look at all those smiles. Now, Greg, you know me pretty well. I'm just going to tell you straight up. I'm 63. Someday I'm going to need a nurse, and I will tell you I want a monk taking care of me.
The strategic nursing plan, the strategic healthcare plan that's going to help embed the right things, the right tools, the right curriculum, the right clinical environment for everyone to learn and to take those experiences out into the field. How lucky are we to have a place like St. Joseph's College? I am going to invite my colleagues from around the country. We have trade associations that we can focus in on, and I'm going to show them what St. Joseph's has done, because I think it's going to be probably better than anything we have seen or I have seen outside of Maine.
And St. Joe's is one of my alma maters, and I had the opportunity to be with the students, and it was just a wonderful, wonderful opportunity for me to see the caliber of students that are here at the college. I came up to the college and actually lived on the campus where I took further credits. This challenge grant is really, really important because it will establish the future of nursing and healthcare at this institution. It's so important, and I'm proud to announce that I have agreed to serve as chair of this exciting challenge campaign. If I have anything to do with it, we will make the goal and I'll get that apple pie. I love one of Winston Churchill's quotes. We make a living by what we get. We make a life by what we give. You will all make a difference in people's lives, and I know that you will represent this college proudly in the future.